For your warm-up jump, you're just going to have a look at the sautés and changements. The music is actually on a 5, which is quite unusual in classical ballet, so don't let that throw you off. So starting in the first position, you have 3 sautés in first. Now remember, you're really thinking about maintaining your posture when you are jumping. It's always, well, it's quite common to land and let the bottom stick out this way. So make sure every time you're landing from your jumps, you are really lifting up in the front of the stomach. And also, if you maintain the turnout, that is really going to help you to maintain the posture as well. So you have your 3 sautés in the first position. We go 1, 2, 3, and then because it's 5 counts, we're then going to stretch on 4, plie on 5, and then you start again with 3 changements. I would bring your right leg in front first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 5, and left leg, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you wanted to, you could repeat it again. I would probably stop there and have a break, and then you could repeat it again if you like, once you've had a little breather in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you get another opportunity to practice your changements, but you're actually going to do these in the croisé alignment. So you'll have your right leg in front in the 5th position. You have 2 changements and a stretch and bend. So change, change, stretch, bend. Again, change, change, stretch, bend. Now you have 2 soubresauts. Now the first soubresaut is going to travel forwards. The second soubresaut is going to bring you en face. But you're going to keep your right leg at the front for both of the jumps. So from here, you have travelling forwards and then coming en face. Stretch, bend, and then we're going to finish with an assemblé over. So my leg that's at the back, so it will be your left leg, is going to brush out to the side. You're going to jump, bring both legs together, and then you're going to land back down. And you should have your left leg in front when you finish. So for the assemblé, you've got your left leg behind, you're going to brush to the side, join the legs in the air, and land back down. And stretch. Now you start again. So you're actually en face. So your first changement is going to change, so you can come back to the croisé alignment, stretch, bend. 1, 2, stretch, bend, travel en face, stretch, bend, and then we have our assemblé. We now have the other leg at the back. It's going to come from the plie, push down into the floor, join the legs, and you're finished. You're going to start with dégagé derrière with your right leg and your arms in second. From here, you're going to take temps levé in arabesque, which is a jump in arabesque. So take your back leg through, you're going to jump, and then you do that again. So you're going to jump and jump. You'll notice that my foot is coming right behind my knee, and my arms are in the 3rd position for this jump. From here, you then have chasse pas de bourrée. So you're going through into the 5th position. Take a backward tangent devant, lower down, pirouette under down, but you're only going to bring the foot to the coup de pied, so it comes through and finishes at the front. From here, you now need to take your back leg, so you're going to jump and jump and jump and jump and chasse pas de bourrée to that 5th position, arm and legs together, lunge into your pirouette under down, finishing here, and down.
Thank you for watching. I will be sharing my new video for you next Thursday morning. Please do comment below if you have any thoughts or questions, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have found this video useful. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then you can subscribe by clicking the icon below. The full-length videos can be found at my website, tipsonballettechnique.com. You can also choose your next video by clicking from the selection here. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.